Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. You're watching Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the world of tech products to help you make informed choices. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Canon Pixma black color ink cartridges. These little cartridges might seem small, but they play a crucial role in delivering professional quality prints. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our tech reviews. Let's start by exploring what makes the Canon Pixma black color ink cartridges stand out from the crowd. When it comes to your printer, using genuine Canon ink cartridges is essential. These cartridges are the real deal, sealed in retail packaging, and designed to work seamlessly with Canon printers. Ever heard of FINE technology? It stands for Full Photolithography Inkjet Nozzle Engineering, and it's what makes your prints crisp, sharp, and full of detail. We'll dive into the importance of this technology shortly. Here's a little bonus for you. Genuine Canon ink cartridges grant you free access to exclusive content via Creative Park Premium. It's a world of creativity waiting to be explored. These cartridges are designed to work seamlessly with a range of Pixma printers, including the MG-2120, MG-2220, MG-3120, MG-3220, and many more. We've got you covered. Now, let's take a closer look at the PG-240 Pigment Black Ink Cartridge. It's designed to deliver crisp, smudge-resistant, professional quality text. Thanks to FINE technology, your documents will be sharper and more detailed. Inkjet technology is all about precision. It ensures that every dot of ink is precisely placed on the paper, giving you ultra-sharp details on both plain and specialty papers. Efficiency is key, and these cartridges are designed for maximum printing efficiency. Whether you're printing important documents or creative projects, these cartridges have got your back. Canon cares about the environment. These cartridges are part of their recycling solution, designed to encourage recycling and reduce waste that ends up in landfills. To wrap things up, the Canon Pixma black color ink cartridges are the unsung heroes behind your high-quality prints. With genuine Canon quality, FINE technology, and compatibility with select Pixma printers, they are an essential part of your printing setup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.